Tired of unexpected toll charges? Well, stick around to discover exactly how to check your E-ZPass balance online and completely streamline your travels in New York. Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're mastering an absolute must-have skill for any modern commuter navigating New York. We are talking about taking total control of your E-ZPass balance online. I mean, if you drive anywhere in this region, you already know the days of throwing quarters into a toll basket are long, long gone. It is a completely digital world now, and managing your travel expenses is quite literally right in the palm of your hands. Look, we've literally all been there. You're opening the mail or just casually checking your inbox, and bam, you're hit with a surprise toll fee. Or, even worse, a violation penalty that totally derails your monthly travel budget. It's incredibly frustrating, right? That anxiety of just not knowing exactly what you owe every time you cross a bridge or drive on the thruway. It's completely unnecessary. Stick with us because we're going to eliminate that stress today by showing you exactly how to stay on top of things and keep your account in perfect standing. And honestly, the stakes here are actually massive. To put this into perspective, did you know that New York E-ZPass customers can save up to 75% off standard toll rates compared to folks who don't use the system? That is a phenomenal financial advantage. But, there is a catch. You only get to keep those deep discounts if your account is properly funded and your vehicle information is 100% accurate. If your balance drops to zero or your credit card fails, you risk losing those savings entirely because the billing system will just completely bypass your discounted rate. So here is our quick roadmap for today's Explainer. First, what E-ZPass actually is. 2, setting up your account. 3, checking your balance online. 4, troubleshooting common problems. 5, tips for efficient management. And finally, 6, our conclusion and important disclaimer. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. Section 1. What is E-ZPass? At its core, E-ZPass is a really sophisticated electronic toll collection system that's built to keep traffic moving. You just mount a small radio transmitter, the tag, right to your windshield. Now, since New York has transitioned to all electronic tolling, you won't see any more physical toll booths. Instead, as you're driving highway speeds underneath an overhead gantry, that gantry essentially acts as a giant data node. It reads your tag and instantly triggers a digital debit from your prepaid account. It's totally seamless, but it relies entirely on your digital balance being in the green. And this brilliantly illustrates where the physical world meets the digital one. You'll probably recognize the classic E-ZPass application and that super familiar purple branding. But whether you grabbed a prepackaged tag from a local retailer or applied by mail, this little piece of plastic is honestly completely useless until it's linked up to an active, fully funded digital profile. So let's look at how to actually make that connection. Section 2, setting up your account. Connecting your physical tag to a digital profile is straightforward, but it requires some precision. First, you'll head over to easypassny.com, or you can just download the official Tolls NY app. Step 2, you'll enter your personal info, stuff like your driver's license details, and you absolutely must set a 4-digit PIN for secure access. Now, step 3 is absolutely critical. You have to input accurate vehicle details. Actually, let me stress that. If you make even a tiny typo on your license plate number, the gantry cameras won't recognize your car as belonging to your account. And when that happens, it triggers tolls by mail, which is a significantly more expensive billing cycle. No one wants that. Section 3. Checking your balance online. When you head to easypassny.com to log in, the system actually gives you 3 different ways to authenticate yourself. So you aren't just locked into one method. You can use your dedicated E-ZPass account number, a customized username that you've personally set up, or the 11-digit tag number printed directly on your physical transponder. Along with your secure password, these are essentially the keys to accessing your entire travel dashboard. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is just how much empowerment this dashboard gives you. Once you log in and click over to the balance section, you aren't just looking at a single number. You get a real-time view of your available prepaid funds, an itemized list of your recent toll transactions so you know exactly where every dollar went, your current replenishment status, and crucial account alerts. It's basically a comprehensive financial snapshot of your daily commute that helps you very easily spot any unauthorized charges. Let's actually contrast this with how things used to be, or frankly, how they still are if your account isn't set up right. The old way meant waiting weeks in total anxiety for a paper tolls by mail bill to finally show up in your mailbox, just crossing your fingers that you didn't accidentally rack up late fees. The new way, especially when you use the authorized Tolls NY app on your phone, gives you real-time balance checking right from your pocket. It completely shifts you from being a passive payer into an active manager of your travel budget. Keeping that online balance positive is pretty dynamic, and E-ZPass New York offers three main ways to handle it. You can set up auto replenishment, which automatically pulls funds from your credit card or checking account whenever your balance drops below a certain threshold. That ensures continuous account usability. If you prefer a bit more control, you can totally make manual payments through the web portal. Or you can enroll in Pay Per Trip. This links directly to your checking account and pays your tolls once a day as they post, which means you literally don't even need to maintain a prepaid balance at all. Section 4. Troubleshooting common problems. First and foremost here, we really have to talk about security threats because SMS phishing scams have become incredibly common lately. Governor Hochul recently issued a very stark warning about this. Listen to this. E-ZPass will never, ever send you a text demanding money for fake, unpaid tolls or asking for sensitive information. If you get a text claiming your balance is negative and there's a link to pay, do not click it. No way. Always navigate directly to easypassny.com or open the official Tolls NY app yourself to verify what's going on. But what if you check your official dashboard and the balance or a charge actually is incorrect? Well, there is a very specific, strict escalation process you need to follow. First, you have to call the customer service center at 1-800-333-865. If you need to officially dispute a toll, you must submit it in writing within 180 days of the notice. And if you've documented your attempt to resolve it with customer service and you're still hitting a wall, you can then escalate the whole thing to the Office of the Toll Payer Advocate. Oh, and a quick tip. Keep screenshots of your dashboard balance because they can serve as absolute vital evidence. Section 5. Tips for efficient management. So, the crucial point is that a little bit of proactivity goes a really long way in managing your account. First off, use the portal to set up text or push alerts for when your balance dips low. But remember what we just talked about. These are just informational alerts, not sketchy demands for instant payment. Next, maybe consider enrolling in E-ZPass Plus. That actually lets you use your tag to pay for parking at authorized facilities, like at major airports. Most importantly, always keep your credit card expiration dates updated so your auto-replenish doesn't accidentally fail. And finally, just periodically verify that all the license plates listed on your account are still perfectly accurate. Building these simple habits completely prevents your account from reverting to those awful cash rate penalties. Section 6. Conclusion and important disclaimer. We always want to provide you with the absolute most accurate and empowering information out there, but it's super vital to remember that the digital landscape and regional transportation policies do evolve. Toll procedures, discount plans, and administrative rules are totally subject to change over time. So, while this explainer gives you a really powerful foundation, the official E-ZPass New York website at easypassny.com is the ultimate final authority. Always make sure you verify the latest details directly with them. So, I'm going to leave you with this one provocative question. Is your vehicle information fully up to date right now? Seriously, don't wait for a massive surprise bill in the mail to find out. Take just 3 minutes today. Log into your E-ZPass dashboard or open up that Tolls NY app and double-check your balance and your plate numbers. Mastering this system saves you time, it saves you money, and it saves you a whole lot of headaches. If you found this breakdown helpful at all, please drop a comment with any questions you might have, and be sure to subscribe for more travel tips and deep dives. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and safe travels out there on the road.